So, good morning. Today is our third class. So I'm just giving you overview what we covered earlier. So first thing, we need to understand the database system. The database system basically to maintain the data of any organization. As I mentioned earlier, there are two type of databases. One is a commercial, one is a non-commercial. So we are, in this course, we are working on Postgres database, which is a non-commercial database. It is open source, community release, and mostly company, in US and Canada, they are using open source databases like Postgres, MongoDB, and there are two type of databases also. One difference is a commercial or non-commercial, and second difference is the NoSQL and SQL. So NoSQL mean there is no relational database management system. So we will go through what is the difference between SQL and NoSQL. But this is just for your information. So but Postgres is a SQL database. It is a relational database like SQL Server, like Oracle database, like other databases. Okay, so NoSQL like MongoDB is a NoSQL, like MongoDB, Instagram they are using, Facebook they are using, these company who are having a lot of transaction in out, they are using the file-based database. This is basically file-based. There is no structure of this database. So you can say there is a NoSQL and SQL databases. SQL means there is a structure of the database, logical, physical structure of the database, data saving in organized way. Okay. So in the NoSQL, there is no structured database. It is file-based database. So data is saving in the files. Okay, not into it is saving in the file basically, but there is a table, there is a different object, front end in the database, and when you work on these objects, when you save or alter or modify data, it will go to the file system level, not the database data files. Okay. And second thing, we just went through the overview of on-premises and cloud environment. So on-premises, what we talk, when we have some company, they have own data center, dedicated data center for their IT environment, right? So IT infrastructure, like they have database servers, they have infrastructures, they have data cooling, they are maintaining cooling, they are maintaining all administration tasks related to hardware and software. Okay, but in cloud we are not, because cloud is providing different type of services, like they are providing software as a service, they are providing platform as a service, and they are providing infrastructure as a service. So you can go and buy and you can work. Okay, you just need to pay only subscription, annual subscription or monthly subscription based on your usage. Okay, so mostly the company have infrastructure on cloud. So as I talked earlier, we have AWS. AWS is the pioneer of the cloud. So AWS, people are using. And I am actually AWS certified solution architecture design. I did also AWS database, database courses like Postgres, RDS. They have different type of databases also integrated with the open source databases. So AWS is a pioneer cloud service provider. So then we have Oracle Cloud, then we have GSP, Google Cloud, and different cloud, but pioneer is AWS. So then we talk about the basic structure of the database, like we have one database instance. Instance is basically logically resources allocation for the database. So then we talk about database. Then under database, we just name it. We talk about schema, tables, and different type of object. So then at the end, in the last lecture, we went through the installation, which was Postgres database installation. As I earlier mentioned, there is two type of installation. One is a RPM based. RPM basically, RPM is a package name. It's a Red Hat package manager. So that means if you talk about Red Hat Linux, they have own repository in one location. So when you install any package on the Red Hat Linux system, you have to install, these all package RPM based. RPM basically extension of the package, okay? when you install the package, this is a RPM package. You just download the package and you can install. And second thing, second type of installation was in Linux system was source-based installation, which we will do today. So the difference is in source-based installation, you can customize your directory structure, okay, based on your requirement. Like, for example, you want to keep data file in one location, log file in one location, and archive log in one location. So these, you can define your own structure, and you can add on different plugin. See, any company, any database system, they have add-ons. They have embedded software, integrated software. Like, for example, if I give you example on SQL Server, in SQL Server, we have database engine, we have reporting services, we have analysis services, we have SAS packages, services. So different type of services. Same like in Postgres, we have different type of services. So in this course, we talk about database engine only, which is related to DBA. Okay. So then we install, see, any company, even on premises, they're using virtualization technology. So virtualization technology basically to manage the physical hardware less and virtual hardware more. So for example, they have one server, under one server, they can run many VMs, many servers, okay? So now nowadays we talk about also the virtualization technology, like in currently we have Oracle, we have VMware top one virtualization technology, then we have Oracle virtualization technology, then we have hypervisor, Hyper-V, which is a Microsoft technology. So different type of virtualization. So what I talked earlier, we just, I made it environment, clone environment, which you will see in any environment when you join when you get any job or you are working as a DBA role in some company, right? So that's why I installed the VirtualBox. VirtualBox basically is a client, is a virtualization client for R&D and demo and testing purpose. So you can go through, you can use, you can create your environment same as a clone. So we talk about we install the VirtualBox, then we download the VirtualBox, we download the Linux software CentOS, and we install the CentOS, and we completed the basic host configuration on CentOS. Then we download, then we install the Postgres database, right? This we done, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. So, and any question till today? I mean, till we have any question?
Yeah, I remember I told you yesterday. I'm still on I'm storing the. I haven't gotten to the storing the Postgres database yet.
Okay. No, we will cover this one. See, there, I just wanted to very clear with you. The installation part is a very important part for DBA, right? For if you do proper installation, you understand how to install the Postgres using RPM, using source, right? So I think you are covered more than 30% of the course content. The rest of things you can learn, you can make practice. I can share the slide, you can go through, you can do that. But installation part, if you go through the Google or any website, maybe something is missing, you will not understand. So this part is a very important. So Dora, I will make you host. We can see what is your issue, we fix, and then we move forward. Okay. So today our agenda is we need to complete the custom installation, and we need to have some basic fundamentals of Postgres, like how to create database, how to drop database, and the basic, how to query the data, like that. And we talk about the physical architecture of Postgres database, which is very important. Okay. So Dora, could you please? Okay, first I will do fresh installation on my computer, Linux, for source installation. Then, during installation, we can discuss, we can fix the Dora issue. Okay. So let me share my screen. You see my screen, right? Hello?
He says started sharing. Yeah,
Yeah.
screen
Okay.
sharing.
Okay. So first I will create one VM for our today class. I will shut down this one. You will follow me. You have to create same environment on your laptop for custom installation. This is very important. As I am saying again and again, the custom installation will give you a value. When you go to any company, you have to do custom installation. RPM based installation is there, but it is not, people are not using in the production environment. Okay. So first I need to create the VM, first VM. So I will put post psql db custom. Same Linux I need to install, Linux. I will choose the Linux 64-bit. You follow me, right? Next.
You are too fast. You're too fast. Can you start?
Okay, I will cancel this one. Okay, step by step I will go. So first I need to create the virtual machine, okay, for the custom installation. So I click on machine, new. I choose the name which I want to give to any, you can put any name, okay. So I will give the psql custom installation, you can put anyone, okay.
Okay.
Then this is the path where you want to save this VM files. So, but this is the default path, but you can change based on your requirement. But this is okay. This is our testing environment. So we can keep on the same path. I have space in C drive, okay? Then we need to choose the operating system. So I'm choosing, you see the list, there are different operating system, Windows, Linux, Solaris, BSD, Mac, IBM. So we are going to install on Linux, right?
Yes.
So I choose the Linux. So here, Oracle 64, I told you, Oracle 64-bit, Red Hat Linux 64-bit, CentOS 64-bit is the same, okay?
Yes.
So you can either choose Oracle, you can choose the Linux 64-bit, or you can choose CentOS. So I choose the Oracle, this one, okay? Next. So this is the memory size. You see here 16 GB. In my laptop, I have total 16 GB RAM. Okay. But so you see the green area, you can maximum use till green area. This one. This one. So because this red area is for your host operating system, your laptop is using. So you can use this much of RAM for other VMs. Okay. Green area.
Yes.
So what I will do, I will take 2 GB, okay, 2 GB.
Oh,
RAM.
okay.
So you can drag this one, or you can add it like that, 2048, okay, like that. Next. So the second thing is a hard disk, right? The storage where we save our, the operating system files, right?
Yes.
So I will create a virtual hard disk. See, in your laptop, you have physical hard disk, right? So you are taking some part of your disk is a virtual. It is a virtual, right? So I am just choosing the disk, create. So we have, there is the 3 different file type, right? So VDI for VirtualBox, VHD for VMware. Okay. So we choose the first one, VDI. Next. So here I just explain, if you choose the dynamic allocation, it will take space which you used, right?
Yes.
It will not take extra space. When you make fixed size, it will reserve full size, okay, which is not good, right? Why wasting the storage? So we always choose the dynamic allocation. When we use, we take a space, right? So next, this is a size. They're asking which size you want to create the virtual disk. So by default for Linux, it is a 12 GB requirement. Okay. So we can go, see, we can reach till 2 TB. Okay. But 12 GB is enough for us because we need to install only, right? We need to install Linux, and the basic requirement is okay, right? But in the real environment, you have to go with the minimum 100 GB. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
In the real environment, I will give you, how to do sizing in the last lecture. Okay. So, but this is our testing as a course. When we finish the course, then in the last lecture, we will go in the enterprise level, how to do proper sizing, how to allocate RAM, how much allocate disk, right? So this we will learn also. So click create. The VM is created, right?
Mm-hmm.
We create one server, 2 GB RAM, 12 GB disk, right? And we choose the dynamic allocation for the disk. Now we need to, when you install any operating system, you have to boot, right? From any operating system. You need to install, right? Because in this, it is empty. There is nothing, anything, right? If you go to setting, storage, there is two important part, storage and network. You always keep storage and network. So first we go to storage. See, in here storage area, we have two controller. One is our DVD-ROM, which is a CD-ROM, and second is our hard disk, which we created, right? You see, when I select here, it is 12 GB, right? But actually it used in 2 MB only, right? So, because we allocate dynamic allocation, right? If we make fixed, then that means here you will see also 12 GB, right? So this is our DVD. We need to boot from the CD and install the Linux. I select this one and I just choose the ISO image. ISO image, ISO is basically CD image, right? Which we downloaded earlier, right? You can choose the disk file and you can go to where you have, where you keep,
Choose the what? The disk drive?
Sorry?
What did you choose? Because I'm trying to follow what you're doing.
Yeah, here.
What did you choose?
Yeah, if you go here, choose a disk file.
Okay.
When you choose a disk file, then where you downloaded, you will see this file, CentOS, right?
CentOS, yes.
Select this one. When you select it, it coming here, right? It's selected. You see here?
Yes.
Okay, this is the first step. Second step, you go to network and you need to choose the bridge mode, bridge adapter, okay? Because I told you difference NAT and bridge. Bridge adapter mean you have dedicated server. You have separate own host configuration, right? So you can access as a server. So you always choose the bridge adapter. Don't confuse yourself more because this is related to network, right? So bridge adapter. So when you select the bridge adapter, click OK. These two settings you have to do.
Wait.
Any question?
No. You click OK, okay.
Yeah, click OK. I click OK. Now what we did, we create one VM. Then we did the storage setting. We need to boot from the ISO image. Okay, this VM, and we need to install the Linux operating system, right? So right click and power on, start and normal start. You see here?
Yes, normal start, okay.
Here, you will see many, but we need to choose the which we choose. This one, right? The last one. You see?
Hold on, please.
In your case, maybe it will not prompt because you are doing first time, right? In my case, because yeah.
Yeah, I see it, yeah.
So CentOS 7, you have to select and start.
Select what?
You see this prompt?
Yes, install CentOS 7, test media, and install CentOS
Yeah.
7.
You see my screen, right?
Yes, yes.
So you have to, test media mean you verify your media is correct or not. But we know this is correct, right? So we just hit go.
Wait, oh, sorry. I wasn't, can you go back? Sorry.
Sorry?
Okay, I was like, I'm still where you say install CentOS 7 test
Yeah,
media.
you see my screen, right?
Yes.
So it is same thing, but I see, yeah, same. Install CentOS 7 and test this media, right?
Mm-hmm.
So up arrow key, you can select the install CentOS 7, right? And hit enter. Okay.
I'm something else.
Okay. You see my screen, right?
Mm-hmm. Oh yes, I see it. Something it is running. Yes.
Yeah, I think press enter. It will go 45-second wait and then it will run automatically.
Oh, I should just press enter.
Yeah, enter.
Okay.
Vicky, you are follow with us, right?
Yes. Oh, sorry.
Yeah.
Okay. So basically we are installing Linux operating system, right?
Mm-hmm.
On virtual calls. So here you see the welcome CentOS screen. So this is a language, by default is English. So we choose the English and we use the tab. Or you can use the mouse, click on continue.
Mm-hmm.
So this is basically our main installation summary page. So I will little explain again, okay?
Yes.
So the first thing is a date and time. This is okay. And language, we are already okay. And installation source where we are installing, you see the CD which we selected. So just click on installation source. It is automatically detected, right? You see here, which we mounted, right? So no need. Then this is a main software selection. So there is different type of software selection. When you click on software selection, you will see the many option here, right? The base
Wait.
environment.
You said when you click on installation source, what else do you do?
Here, software selection. I didn't do anything. I just click
Okay.
and just done. Just show you because it is already selected local media, which we attach.
Okay.
Yeah. So if you see the software selection, this is important. You have to click. So we need to choose the basically server with GUI because we are installing Linux server, not a minimal installation, not a client or small installation. Okay. So we need to server with GUI option for database server.
Quick question. I had to click the installation source and I'm in there. How do I go back? I don't want to click done. Yeah, click there. Let me see how you go back. Do I have to click done?
Yeah, it's still, when you see the amber triangle, this one, you have to wait. See here, it become black now. Click
No,
here.
Yeah, okay. How do you go back?
Done. There is a
Okay.
done. Right? This is okay there?
I'm still waiting. All right, that's good.
Okay, then software selection, you see, you need to choose the software type selection server with GUI. You see here, server with GUI, right?
Where is that? Where is that set up with GUI? I haven't seen it.
You can just scroll down, you will see first, second, third, fourth, 5, 6, 7, seventh option.
On the CentOS?
Yeah, on the CentOS.
I see installation destination. I don't see.
No. You have to choose the software selection. Yeah. You see here, software selection. Click on software selection.
Oh, okay. Mm-hmm.
Click here, then go to server with GUI. You got that?
Yes.
No, this is the base environment, right? So you want to do minimal installation, you infrastructure server. So for database, we always choose server with GUI. Okay. You always do when you in real environment server with GUI. Okay. Then in right side, these are software, which you need. Okay. The software for this server with GUI. For Postgres, the prerequisite software requirement for Postgres. Okay. So for Oracle, for Postgres, you have to select some software. I will show you. If you go down, you need to check compatibility libraries. This is the first you have to select. Okay. Then you need to choose also development tools. Okay. Then take,
what should I choose? Sorry.
yeah, three. If you go down at the end, bottom, you will see three.
On the right one?
On the right one.
Mm-hmm.
First, you have to select the server with GUI. Then you go to the right one, add on for selected environment. You see here, go down, you will see compatibility library, development tool, and system administration tool. You have to check three.
Check which one?
Compatibility library, development tool. See, it was unchecked. You have to check like that.
So those are the basic. Those are like the add-ons in that environment. Every Postgres environment need those three add-ons, right?
That's right. Even in Oracle.
Okay, so in when you go to work, is there a time where they'll ask you to add other add-ons?
No need, no need. For Postgres database, it is required only three.
Okay.
So no need to add more, because if you add more, because it is based on requirement, right? You are as a Postgres DBA, you need to choose only one, because rest of thing for storage people, for other type of for example, one they use for as a server, like they want to install another software like Apache, like other software, right? So
okay.
This is requirement, but Postgres required three.
All right.
When you choose this one, then click on done. So wait a while, you will see, it will become black. Now it is still amber. Checking the software, you see here. So it become normal, you see the black, right? Now little go down, you see the installation destination. Our installation destination is a virtual disk, right? Our source was a disk, ISO image, and our destination will be the virtual disk, right?
Yes.
So check this one. It is already selected 12 GB, right? So just open and done. That's it. No need to do anything. Okay.
Okay.
It will see automatic partitioning selected. You see here. This is the first part. Then you have network host configuration. This is also very important. You have to set the host name for the server, right? When you install any operating system, you always have to set the host name and IP, right?
Okay.
So when I click here, it will give me this interface, which is a network and host configuration wizard. So first I need to set the host. I just select this one. I set PGDB. Okay.
Oh, hold on. Okay.
I am sorry, because I thought maybe I was little fast, right?
Yeah. Because when you click done, but it took me to the ATV virtual box.
Stop me when I do like that. Today we need to finish the Postgres custom installation, right? This is our agenda today.
Okay. So when you click done, what do you do next?
So I just remove here, just backspace and remove.
Oh, no, when you click done, you go down to the network config, network and
Yeah,
host name.
you already
click on
set the
network.
host name. You already set the host name.
No, she needs to get to the network and host name right there.
Yeah. Okay.
Yes.
Yeah, when you
Okay.
click this. Okay.
Like you, where you are, you go to, you click next, like the next thing down there, network and host name.
Dora, you reach here?
No, I'm not there yet.
Okay, let me go back. Here, you have to go network and host configuration, right?
Mm-hmm.
Click this one. Then you have to set the host name. You can put any host name. You know, just keep in mind this host name, basically this Linux installation will do system admin, but sometime you have to do, okay? So that's why I am asking you to install. At least one time you should know how to install. You are here now? Can you go to this screen? Installation summary?
Yes.
So can you click on network and host?
Okay, so when I click done, it does not take me to this the same area where you are.
Wait,
Okay.
are you, did you see net summary? Did you see where we are, the other part, the summary part?
Like this.
Installation summary?
Yes, I clicked on, it was not, yeah, I clicked on that. It took me to the part where you have to see the
No,
12.
no, little arrow, go down. You will see the down option.
Go down, you see network and.
You have like that. So just scroll down and you will see the network and host.
Can you see network and host?
I'm still, remember where you say we had to click on the I don't know, was it network and host where you have to get to the point where you have to click done? That's where I am.
Here?
Oh, no, I'm not there. I'm still, I think it was destination before we got to that network and host name.
Under installation destination.
Yeah.
No, not that one. No, not this one.
Installation is installation destination.
Yes, installation destination.
Go down. Yeah, that one. Click.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yes, I'm
just
still
click
there.
done. Done. You don't need to do anything. Just click done over
just
there.
Done.
Okay, because when I click done, it's not taking me out of the page. It's still, I'm still stuck there. That's why.
Can you share your screen?
Yeah, okay, let me make you host.
I think she has that you know, that mouse thing that the mouse is
yes, my mouse, that's the thing. The mouse is not working.
Okay, you can share no screen. Let me begin the installation, okay? Then everything is done. Okay, no, but Nora will see. Okay, share your screen.
Okay, yeah, maybe just finish this part, then she shared, then you follow.
Yeah, because it
so
will
that you take yourself out of this part.
Yeah, it will take installation time, right? So we will not waste time. So I will go to network. I put the host name here. We will see Dora, okay? Then PGDB. I put this one and I choose, I make power, it is off by default. So this I set host. Now I'm setting the IP address network. So if I click here, it will take automatically IP from my network, but I need to put the static IP. When I click configure, here I need to go with the IPv setting. This is my IP configuration. You always go to IPv4 setting. This is my IP configuration. So here by default, it is a DHCP. I need to set the manual IP. So I will choose the manual and I will add the IP. I will put 192.168.1. Let's say 200. So just I need to put also gateway. This just need to keep just information, you know.
Hold on 1 second, please. When you click on internet on, what next detail you do on configure?
Okay, let me cancel again.
Oh,
Configure.
yeah. Okay.
Configure. When I configure, this window pop up, right?
Yes.
So this is my network connection name. By default, it is coming. I will not do anything. Okay. So I need to go to IPv setting. So this is basically the IP information for the machine. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
If I go here, IPv setting. So by default, it is the, you know, you know the difference between static IP and dynamic IP.
Standard IP. Yeah.
So because see, I give you example. When you are at home, when you connect to the when you connect your phone through Wi-Fi, you will get automatically IP, right?
Uh-huh.
Internet is connected, right?
Uh-huh.
Because the DHCP is running on your home router, home network. Okay.
Okay.
But in real environment, you will not use the DHCP. You will assign the IP address to your network, right?
Yes.
If you are in the company, you will not use the automatic IP assigning to the server, right? You always need to put static. Static means it will not change. Either you are going to be changed, right? So you have to do manual IP address setting for the server for the Postgres database. Okay. So I choose the manual. I add the IP address 200. This is my
How did you get the IP address again? You have to go to IP config.
Yeah. Yeah, you will see. You see first what is your IP network range. Okay. How you will see if you go to the CMD, run here, CMD, IP config all. You see, this is my IP address I'm getting on my host, right?
Okay.
So first three will be same for only first three will be same. Next you can change in your VM. Okay.
All right.
So this is my network. This is my network IP. This one first three, and this 18 is my host IP. Okay. So for this host, I need to put not 18. I need to put different. Okay. You can put any before. I mean before 255. You can put any. So I can put 19. 18 I have, but I put 19. 255, 25. This is my subnet mask, and this is my gateway. You see here, gateway is same. Right?
Uh-huh.
That's it. Go to journal, make automatically connect. When system reboot, it will automatically connect this network. Okay.
Okay. Automatic connect. Okay.
Save. You see, IP change. And you put also DNS. Go to IPv setting. You see here DNS. I miss. DNS and gateway will be same in your environment. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, there, done. That's it. You see here, wired is connected. So this network host configuration done. So I just click on begin. Here. Then I need to set the root password. I can put any password and click done. So let it finish. So that's it. Now, Dora, you can share your screen. So it will take time to install.
Okay. My mouse is not working.
Yeah, right click, right control key.
Mhm.
One time press right control key, it will release the mouse. Right on keyboard, right control key.
Mhm.
I think Piggy faced same issue earlier.
Quick question. When you completed the IPv4 settings, it has something down there that says require IPv4 addressing for this connection to complete. Do you click on it?
No, just I click OK. IPv6, yeah, automatic I select, right?
Yeah. Yeah, I added everything. Then it says route. I just click on route.
Oh, route, no need. Only click. I just put the IP, subnet mask,
Yes.
gateway, and DNS. You will
That's
see.
right. Then you go to general, you click on automatic connect to
Yeah,
the
that's
network.
right. That's right.
Then what next?
Yeah, that's right. Journal and IPv setting, two things.
Because it's not highlighting me to say save. It's not giving me the opportunity to
Okay, this
I know it's just everywhere.
okay, just 1 minute. Can you give me control? Can you click right control, you know, the keyboard control button, one time selection. You see in corner, there is a control option. You see here corner, right? Dora?
Yes.
Yeah, you can see in the corner, you know, the right control. You see in the corner, down.
Down.
No, so when you have your computer in front of you, right?
Mm-hmm.
Look on the right side, your right hand. You see where your right hand is.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, you know the buttons that says, let's say you want to do up and down. Just look beside it, you see a control. You see CTRL. That's what. Yes, that's the right control. So click on it.
Okay.
You know, you see two things.
Okay.
That's it. You can walk now.
See, it's the same thing.
Yeah, you click again. Yeah. So this is okay. You see the another arrow key. There is another. Yeah. Okay. Use tab. Tab button.
Tab.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, you're running. Click. Go up.
See, it's still not working.
Do control. Do that control. Yeah. Now click there.
See.
Yeah. Click now. No. See. Yeah.
Okay.
Right. So now you did that. This selection. Go to network host. Yeah. Here. Now go down. You see the other image. This is your mouse, real mouse for VM. You see above one, there is 2 pointer, right? So this is the second one is your pointer. Yeah, this one, black one. Yeah, this one. Take this down. Yeah, you know, low, up. Yeah.
This one.
Yeah. Select this one. Click on the local domain. Yeah. Back. Just remove this one.
Okay. Remove it. All right.
Yeah, remove all. Put the psql db. Write psql db host name.
You mean the one that we created earlier?
Yeah. Just type.
Just put anything.
Anything. psql db. This is the host name of the database server.
Okay.
No host done, apply. Apply, you see the apply? Take mouse here, yeah, apply. It's applied, right? You see the current host name is psql db front of this, right? So click on configure. Yeah, yeah. Go to IPv setting. Yeah. Go down method, click on this one. Yeah. Arrow key, you see the arrow key above.
This
No,
one?
the method above. No. Yeah, you see automatic DHCP down, right? Yeah, this arrow key, yeah. No, above.
Yes.
Yeah, here, click here in the window, yeah. Select manual. Yeah, click. Yeah, very good. Then add. Before adding, you have to, okay, I think you have to check the network, your network. Just go to bottom and right control and release the mouse. Leave it this one. Yeah. Go to minimize this one. Minimize the virtual box. It is not going right. You
just click the
again.
Control, it'll take you out.
Yeah. No, go to minimize.
Yes.
Take mouse above. Yeah. Yeah, very good. Minimize. Click. Yeah. Okay. No, check. You
do CMD.
You did not share the full desktop. You share only one screen, right?
Yeah. Go now to your computer and do CMD over there.
Where? Do CMD? I don't understand.
This is your desktop you're sharing to us. You know where you got a search button? Go to search button.
Oh, okay. Okay.
We are just saying your desktop. We're not saying the search part.
Okay. Let me bring it.
No, just leave it there. You can do it behind if you
Yes, what was search?
I need 2-minute break for prayer. So you just I will come back, okay? Just 2 minutes.
All right. Okay.
You can do helper.
Okay, what was said?
Do CMD on just you're searching, just say CMD. You say enter.
CMD, then enter.
Yes. Okay. Do IP config CON FIG FIQ. Enter.
Are you seeing my screen?
No, I'm not seeing your screen because you're sharing. If you want to bring it.
You see it now?
Okay, there you go. Do the IP config. IP.
Oh, I already did, and I gave me this one.
Oh no, therefore the IP config is not correct. Do IP config IG. Sorry, I said Q. IP CONFIG. Okay. For me, just take a picture of this page. I just usually use my phone. What happened is that, hold on, your default gateway is 000. Okay, that's fine. Take a picture. That's your IPv4. See where your IPv4 address is? It's 10.0.0.223. Are you seeing what I'm saying?
10.0.0 default gateway is. I see default gateway and.
Yeah, that's what. Come down there. No, where your mouse is. No, down one more time. No, down. Stay there. Okay. You see all that, these 3 parts you need it. So take a picture of that. Just use your phone, take a picture. I usually just use my phone and take a picture.
So which part do I need this IPv4 address?
You need the IPv4, you need a subnet mask, you need a default gateway, which is down.
Okay, got it.
Yeah, so just take a picture, and then if you take a picture, then you minimize the screen, then you bring back the.
Okay, I understand. Yeah. Okay.
Yeah. Minimize the screen. You can just minimize and leave it there.
Okay.
No, minimize. You click the minus. Yeah, that. Yeah, click that. Click the minus. That minus this thing over there.
This one.
Yeah.
Here,
No, no, the dash. That one.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, bring back now your virtual box.
Let's see. Mm-hmm.
Okay, you need to expand that one. I can't see that one by this side. You need to, you see this small white box here?
Mm-hmm. Make it bigger, okay.
Yeah, you make it bigger because you can walk in there.
Let me see.
It has to be it has to be like a button down there on your screen, like a lock. It's like a lock button on your screen. I don't know what is on this screen you're sharing, but on your computer screen, look down there. It has to be like a lock, like some yellow.
Like some box, like a box, right?
No, not like a box, like a yellow thing. Like an orange, like a lock. I don't.
Okay, okay, okay.
So if you click on it, there you go. Okay, now you do your click now in that box. Yeah, yeah, click there. That's fine. Click inside. Do control. If you disturb it, stay in there and do control. Okay. Can you maneuver? Click inside there now. It does click or not? Yeah, click there. Start writing. I don't know. Just say put the IP address that you still. The IP address. Okay. The IPv4 that you got.
Yeah. Then will I put the dot?
Yes. Yes.
0,
I'm back.
.2, 2, 2, 3. Okay. Then I click add.
No. Go to the next one. Go to netmask.
Oh, okay. Got it.
Click no inside that box now. The blue box. Yeah, click there. Yeah, add the next thing. The netmask is that one that says 255 dot blah blah blah. The 255.255.
Okay, stop netmask. Okay.
Yes. Okay, what happened is
255.0.
.0. Go back to the address. You need to change that 23. You can't add 24.
Yeah, different address.
Put 24.
Yes.
First three will
Click
be
there.
the same.
Click inside. No, baby. Click that 10.0. Yeah. Click. Yeah, just change that 23 to 24 because you can't have the same.
Wrong address. This is wrong. 10.0.0.
10.0.0 is not 10.00.
Yeah, remove this one. Remove.
Yeah, .0. Just follow what you got.
.0. Yeah, again .0. Yeah, dot
224. Don't put 223.
224.
Okay.
Just remember this. Go to gateway.
Okay.
Click the blue box here. So
Yeah.
you got your gateway down there. You remember I said it was 0.00 blah blah blah.
That's the 0.0.1.
Yes, the one that
yes. 10.0.0.1.
Then don't go anywhere. Don't
Oh,
be moving too
DNS.
far. Go to
DNS.
DNS now. Do the same. DNS is the same like gateway.
Okay. Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Then it's the same, like I put the same number, 10.0.
Yeah, the same like gateway.
Okay.
.1.
Mm-hmm.
That's it. Then go to journal.
Like,
You see the journal option?
the what?
General. You see where general?
Yes,
Click on
yes,
general.
Yeah,
Mhm.
click on automatically connect. Above. No, not here. No, not this one.
Oh, not the one down. Okay.
The first one, first option. Yeah, same.
Mhm.
So you see here, your address is 10.0.0.224, right?
Mhm.
Yeah, done.
See, your mouse is confused. Don't just hold, yeah, don't be moving your mouse too much so that your thing is not running everywhere.
Oh, slowly.
Okay, click control. Yeah.
Yeah. Yes. Begin installation.
We don't bother about security policy.
No need. We disable the firewall. You remember?
Okay.
The root password. Put the root password. Because why we disable the firewall? Because in the network they already have firewall, right? So no need operating system level firewall. So that's why we disable the firewall.
Done, right?
Yeah. You can close above pop-up, you see the pop-up, mouse move under, and you just close this one. Control, right control, and
Is the mouse disturbing? Is this like something that happens? Or,
yeah, this first
never...
time happened. When we finish installation, then we need to install the guest tool, to make mouse stable.
Is this small black one that is working?
Yeah,
So
this black is a virtual mouse.
okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Done. So you can close above pop-up, you see the pop-up mouse pointer integration, just close. You see the cross? Yeah, right click control first,
Mhm.
release the mouse. Yeah.
Mhm.
No, right control.
Do I close here, up here?
No, there is a right control, we just disable.
Did you do
right
user creation? Do you do user creation?
No need.
Okay.
Not required. We
So
will do
close
ourselves
this.
when we install the Postgres installation. We will create user manual.
So I close this one, this blue, this one there here.
Close this one. Close this one. Above one also.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
So it will take time to install. Let me share my screen now.
Okay. Should
You
I
can see
stop
my screen,
sharing?
right?
Let me stop sharing, right?
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. Right.
Yeah. So this is you can see my screen, right? So my
Yes.
installation is completed, right? Then we need to reboot.
Okay.
No, yours will take time. Don't reboot.
Okay.
So click enter. Today we need to complete the installation task, right? The next class will be only pure Postgres database. You see the license information. We need to check the license information, accept the license information, and click here. Done. You see here, right? Finish the
Yeah.
installation. So my installation is completed. See, so no need to come here. Just access the putty client. You see, you remember I said putty client, right? To access the server. You remember what you put the IP, you can access through IP. I put 192.168.1.19, right? Right? This I
Yeah.
put IP, right? Open. You see here? Yes. I open my, just minimize the virtual box. Virtual box not required now. Now we can enter through client, right? I put root username, my password, PGDB. See, this is my host name and this is my user which I'm connecting, right? So this is my Linux server. Just keep in mind, you will not have direct physical server access. You always access database server through putty. Okay.
Okay.
So you need IP address of the DB server. That's it. When you join some company, they will give you these things. I just explained to you. Okay. They will give you host name, database server host name, and IP address, network IP address. Okay.
Okay.
And root username, root password, root user and password. Okay. This by default root always user. Okay. They will give you this access. So I mean, you joined one company as a DBA role. So what you need from them when you join the company, the database server host name with IP address and username password. These three things. Okay.
Okay.
So same thing. I log in through IP. I just putty client. Putty is a secure shell, SSH. SSH is the protocol you can access. You know, for example, I will tell you, little explain to you. SSH server is your basically Linux machine, right? Running on this. And putty is a client to access Linux machine, right? Understand? So this will be stay in your company, right? Server in company. This will be on your laptop, right?
Okay.
So now, first thing, before installing anything, we need to update. You know, when you install Windows operating system, you need to update security updates and all updates, right? So first we need to install. I told you we have yum repository, yum. Yum basically is a download the update from the specific location, which is called repository, right? By default. So you just need yum update dash y. Y mean yes. No need to prompt, you know, no or yes. Just update our operating system. You get that, right? It will update all required package which is, you know, available on the shared repository by CentOS or Linux company, right? It will go to internet, see the location and take package which need to be updated, and it will download first, then it will install, and then it will update. Okay. So this is the first step before doing any installation, Postgres database or another application. Any question there? Any
No.
confusion? Any question?
No, no.
When you complete this task, today task, that means you are completing 30%, more than 30% course. You know, this is very important for you to understand how to do the installation.
So I still have to do this right after this installation.
Yeah.
I have to do this. Okay. Okay, my installation is complete.
Okay. You just reboot.
Reboot. Okay. Mm, okay, then finish configuration.
Yeah. No, there is a license, you know, right?
Oh, license information. Okay.
Accept this one.
So what do I type?
Yeah, there is
Accept.
accept.
Okay, accept license agreement.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay, then click done, right?
Yeah.
Okay, finish configuration.
That's right.
English next, right? Oh,
No, that's it. Now you can download the putty client. This one. You have putty?
no.
Just follow me. Go to Google.
Go to Google. Okay.
Putty.
Hold on.
Type putty. You will see the second link. Download the putty. You see here.
I just type putty
Yeah.
client, or just
Yeah,
type.
you see my putty here, just put putty.
Which one do I select? That putty client. Putty free.
You see
Which one am I
second
down?
putty.org, second link,
Okay.
click this one. You reach here, right?
You say putty what? I latest release
Yeah.
0.76.
Yeah, you can download putty here. Click here. When you click here, you will see here the package. So choose, go down. You see this page which I am seeing?
Yeah.
Yeah, go down this one. Check this exe file. You see here, putty, just click on this. It will be download for you here.
Okay, putty. Okay, I see. Click on there. Okay, it's downloaded now.
Yeah, click this one, open this. Put the same IP which you assigned to the VM. 10.0.0, I think 224, right? You put this IP, right?
Which IP?
This IP which you set.
Where you see the 10, okay, 10.0.0
224.
All right.
Open.
Okay.
It open.
Yeah.
Click yes.
It's slow. It's not. No, not yet.
Okay. You set the network configuration. When you install, you set the network configuration.
They say network connection.
Yeah, okay. No, go to this VM, virtual box, open the virtual box.
Okay.
This one. Right click on the VM, go to setting.
Oh, okay. Say that again. Right click on what?
The VM which you created now, right?
Okay. Right click, go to settings.
Go to network.
Yes.
What you have here, NAT or bridge?
I have internal network.
This is wrong.
Change it to bridge.
Yeah, bridge.
Okay. And then
Okay. Click OK. Right? No, open putty again.
Okay. I've opened it, but it's still nothing is changing.
Okay. Can you share screen so we can see? Maybe you put the IP wrong or something. Okay, can you share screen?
Okay. You see, this all I see in my screen.
Okay. Okay, close this one. Yeah.
Go back to Google.
No. Open the virtual box. Can you right click on the virtual box? Setting.
Network.
Yeah, this is okay. Okay, that's fine. Close this one. Go to CMD command line, your Windows command line.
Go to the search. Go search on CMD. Or just open the one that I told you not to close. You remember the one that you had? Did you close it?
The one that I took pictures of?
Yeah, that black box down there is called CMD. The one that we did the IP config. Just open it. Okay, open it.
This one?
Yes.
Yeah. Write the IP config all. IP config /all.
Slash what?
Yeah. /all. ALL. Enter. Yeah, just wait. So your IP is 10.0.0.223, right?
224.
Yeah, but this machine is a 223, right? Just ping,
Yes.
ping, ping, ping.
Do what?
Do
Ping.
write PING.
Okay, PING.
Space
Wait.
10.0.0.224.
10.0.0.
Enter.
Enter.
Yeah, it is working.
It's
Okay, can you open the putty now?
Okay.
Maybe firewall.
your putty is somewhere on your computer.
In download, maybe download folder.
Yeah, when you download, why you should pin it on your that putty is like some look down there where you got your things laid down there. Yeah, you see the putty is like this, like some two computer connected together or some two steps connected. It's in blue and there's a yellow thing in the middle. You should have it down there, pinned down there.
I think I closed it there.
Okay, then just search putty. Just search.
Let me just go back and do the one that.
Hold
on.
Just go to your search button, right?
Yes, yes.
Go to search button, just put PUTTY.
Okay, I got it. It's right here.
Yeah.
Now the host name.
No, just put 10.0.0.224. Enter. Open.
This is what it's telling me.
Okay.
Yeah, yes. Very good.
Accept. That's fine. Accept.
Yeah, root.
What?
Root username is root. By default is the root user always. Enter.
Okay.
Which password you put?
Okay, let me put it. Enter.
Yeah. Yeah. No,
you're good.
You connected,
so
right? So you see here, you have the PSQL DB. This is your host name, and root is your user. So you are connecting your database server, which is the PSQL DB host name, and user is the root. Here you put yum
update.
Yum space update -y.
Here, that's YAM.
No,
YUM.
YUM.
Space.
What?
Space.
Space update. Space -y.
Space dash
y.
Dash
Y. Yeah.
Y.
Enter.
Yeah, it will take time to update. So let me share my screen now.
You stop sharing the
Oh, stop sharing. Okay.
You can see my screen, right?
Yes.
Oh, mine is still updating. It will take 10 to 15 minutes, you know, to update. But mine
Okay.
is finished here to complete.
All right. So in the company, does it take that same time as well?
Yeah.
Okay. So just to do installation of a new saver, of a new P-SQL saver is just a whole task on its own.
That's right. When, for example, when you join company, they give you one server. Okay. This is your server. You have to install Postgres, right? So that time before installing Postgres, you run yum update.
Yeah. Is there a time where before you join, they already installed the Postgres on it?
Yeah. If they have, see, this installation basically is not a day-to-day job, right?
Okay.
So when you join company, maybe they have more than 100 Postgres database server already, right?
Okay.
So after today class, the next task will start. If they have already Postgres, you join as a DBA, how you will do basic administration, right?
Okay.
So for the next class, we will go with the database DBA core task, right? You know, this is also interview question. They will ask you, what is the prerequisite to install Postgres on the Linux server, right?
Okay.
What is the what?
Prerequisite.
Yeah,
Okay.
prerequisite, pre-install requirement for Postgres. You know, you DBA, you should know how to install the Postgres, right? The first question they will ask, whenever you install the Postgres, what is the prerequisite pre-install requirement to install Postgres on the server? So you can tell them, okay, we need to check the update, live update on the system. If system is fully updated, then we need to follow the steps, you know, which I mentioned in the slide. Okay, we need to add the repository for Postgres. We need to, you know, download the RPM using yum command. These all steps which I mentioned in the slide.
Okay.
So the most important point you have to remember always, in any Unix or Linux environment, any operating system which is based on Linux, you cannot use root user for any application. Root user basically is the root user. When you, for example, you install the Postgres, you need to create Postgres user, right? So it is, even you cannot install to use root user. So root user is basically system admin responsibility, not a DBA responsibility, right? But it is shared responsibility between DBA and system admin. So always the root user is only for the system administration task. As a DBA, you need Postgres user on the operating system. Okay. We will see, you know, when this done, we will go step by step. I think today you got many things, right? Hands on.
Yes.
My computer is so slow. I need to.
So now it is downloaded already. Now see the RPM. You see the RPM extension. You see here RPM, Red Hat Package Manager. So this is all software have extension RPM, Linux based software. You get that? So it is downloading. So meanwhile, we can discuss, about this one. Just I open the slides. Okay. You are with me, right?
Yeah.
So today I shared this slide, we will go the Postgres introduction, Linux basic instruction we already completed, virtualization installation we completed, we created virtual machine, right? We will talk little what is the Postgres, what is the sample, this we need to talk now. So basically, what is the Postgres database? As I already explained, right? Postgres is the open source database. This I already explained, right? So I put here and just for your information, okay? So you have any question about this? What is the Postgres database?
What is an open source object relational database management system?
Yeah, it is open source. It is not, as I mentioned earlier, there are two types of databases. One is commercial and one is non-commercial. So this database is the non-commercial database, right?
Okay.
It is open source. So Postgres, basically the enterprise level people are using. This is the enterprise level product. People are using mostly Postgres database. Okay. So it is very stable. It is very stable actually. More than 20 years, they spend a lot of time to build. Okay. So it is very stable database like Oracle, like SQL Server, right? So we always pronounce, PostgreSQL. This is the pronunciation in PostgreSQL. When you have PostgreSQL, you can pronounce Postgres database to PostgreSQL. So this is basically common use cases for this Postgres, is the labs take me Linux, Apache, PHP. You get that? Linux.
Linux what? Linux.
This is a stack basically. Linux, that mean is, the lamp mean is, it is a combination, Linux, Apache. Apache is a web server, is the application server, okay? PHP and Postgres, PSQL. So when you have Postgres, for example, see, you are working as a DB in backend on database. You are not working on application, right? So maybe front-end application is PHP, Apache, So there is a LAMP stack and WAMP stack and LAMP stack. Just keep in mind, the mostly people, Postgres is running on Linux. 99% people enterprise, they are running Postgres on Linux operating system. Okay. You get that?
Yes.
So, and second thing, any database system have two type of databases. One is the OLAP, one is the OLTP, right? So
Yeah.
example is in banking, they have day-to-day, online transactions. It is transactional
Mhm.
database. So the OLAP OLAP mean is a data warehouse, right? So I will
Yeah.
explain you here. OLAP and OLTP. OLAP basically online transaction, is the real-time transactions. OLAP we use for reporting and analytics. When you, for example, in OLAP, we have 2,000 clients connected to OLAP, right? Right. So 2,000
Yes.
people connecting to the OLAP, OLTP, online transaction. So this example is when you go to the ATM, you just insert the card and draw the money, right? So this is the
Mhm.
online transactions, right? And your
Mhm.
balance will detected from your account, right? Automatically. When you draw $200, you will get immediate message. This amount is debited from your account, right? So this is the
Yeah.
online transaction is happening. So in the same time, when you, for example, your bank manager need report, today report, how many transactions
Mhm.
happened today, right?
Yes.
These all transaction detail in OLTP, right?
Mhm.
When you run the report, it will affect the OLTP, right? Performance,
Mhm.
right? When you run heavy
Yeah.
report, fetch heavy data from the database, it will affect the performance, right? So
Mhm.
they said, okay, don't use OLTP database for reporting purpose. Make separate
Mhm.
database OLAP, which is OLAP for reporting and analytics, right?
Mhm.
And this database, this is your online database, this is your reporting database. In between, you have connector. Connector. Connector is between OLAP and OLTP, right?
Mhm.
So what it will do, it will push information in scheduled time, right? Maybe every 2 hours, run the job and push the data to OLAP, right?
Mhm.
So when you need reporting, you will use this database to generate report.
Okay.
You will not run this report on OLTP because it will affect the performance, right?
Mhm.
So this is the difference between OLAP and OLTP. So OLAP in the normal language, it's called data warehouse, where you keep the data.
Mhm.
Okay. And this is your database, RDBMS, online database. Right?
Mhm.
We will talk about more about this one.
Okay.
So you have difference between OLAP and OLTP, right?
Mhm. So the OLAP and OLTP, OLAP. Is this the what the Postgres uses?
Yeah. Every company they
Okay.
use.
Okay.
Maybe this OLAP they use Oracle. You get that?
Mhm.
So they
Yes.
push the data from Postgres to Oracle data warehouse, and
Mhm.
they are using Oracle data warehouse database for analytic and reporting. It can be different,
Mhm.
but your primary database will be Postgres. So just keep in mind the source database is Postgres, right? I say
Mhm.
PSQL. And target can be, target mean data warehouse, DW. In short, we say DW. Can be Oracle, can be SQL Server, right? Still updating.
How do you know it's complete or it's still operating?
Yeah. Okay, so clear. So this is a geospatial database.
Excuse me, with this installation, how do you know it's complete? Because mine is showing here complete. I don't know if.
So that means your internet speed is okay. You already completed.
No, yours is really fast. I'm still, if I tell it, I'm still on post installation. I don't know why mine is.
Wait, I don't know if mine is correct or not, because mine is showing down here.
It's correct. That's because if you don't have so many things running on your computer.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, because mine says here complete root PSQL DB. Is that right? Oh, okay.
Yeah, we can check.
Yeah. Did he go by? You see the numbers that his own is going 549, 549, and all that is added. Yeah.
So I'm just making sure that mine I'm on the
we can check.
Right
we can check it.
I think yours is good because you went very fast with installation. So you should be good.
Okay.
So then, the geospatial database, it will be also used for, the geographical database like Google Map and other, geographical database. It can also manage geographically data. Okay. Postgres. And this database, this language supported, it written in Java and Python language. So this is just general information, Ruby, C++, these are languages, not much related to DBA, who, just to know this database written in C++ and Java, okay? So who is using this Postgres? Apple, they are using Fujisto, Uber,
Netflix,
Instagram, Spotify. So different company, I just choose some random big company, but mostly enterprise level, most a customer. You will see down. See here. This is the, I get from the Stack Overflow from the internet, the most popular database technology in the Stack 2019 survey. You see here, the first one is the MySQL, second one is the Postgres.
So what is the updated one? Because I was so thrilled to see that update. Did you check 2021 Stack Overflow survey?
Yeah, well, I can share the survey, the latest one. Actually, latest one, first one is, it is same actually. I checked already. It is almost same.
Okay.
The open source, MySQL, and because see, the people using free, right? Open source databases are free, right? So the Oracle and SQL Server is expensive, right? So they have to pay and then they have to use, right? That's why. So this we done, we downloaded this, we done already, right? We downloaded the CentOS VirtualBox, right? We did RPM based installation already completed, right? Today we will go with the source installation, right?
Okay.
So I share this, this we done install Yum, installation of Yum, basic configuration, remote access configuration, basic management, we already done, right? See here steps, I mentioned here steps, right? You have to, after this Dora installation, you have to install this one, okay? First time.
Which one?
Through RPM based installation, right? After this, you need to install Postgres, right?
After this installation?
Yeah, Linux operating system installation you done, right? Now you need to install Postgres, right? You get me or not?
Yeah, I'm getting you.
Yeah. So this we already done, right, Picky? This we already
Yeah.
done, have to do, right? So today we will
Yeah.
do the source installation, this one, right?
Yeah, but for the new Postgres server that we just installed, do we still have to? We still have to do the other steps, right? Go up, go to slide 21. We still have to do the sudo install. We still have to run this on the new custom VM that we just created.
No, no need. This is for RPM based installation. There is two different type of installation, right?
Okay. That's the RPM based installation. All
So
right, I got
this
you.
is a source.
Okay.
Different method. You should have two VM, one for source, one for RPM. You will not do anything. If you do RPM, you will use this step. If you use source, you always use this one.
At work.
In work, yeah.
But your environment will have the both. It will have the RPM. It will have the.
No, you cannot have both in one PC, right?
Okay, you can't have both on one PC.
No.
Okay.
So you have separate, one for RPM, one for source. For practice or for learning purpose, you can go with the RPM and you can make practice, right? But in real environment, you always see the source-based installation. You will not find this step. I made, I tested all step and I made it. So you have to keep this step very important.
Okay.
Then, you remember in Postgres, in SQL Server, you have adventure work, you have worldwide import database, which is a sample database. You work on SQL Server, right?
Yeah, you have adventure works. Yeah.
Yeah. So in SQL Server, any database company, they give the sample database just for practice. Like SQL Server database, they provide Adventure Works. It was old. Adventure Works database. Now it become new worldwide import, right? So in Oracle, they give schema HR. What? In Postgres, there is no sample database. So some community people, they create one DB rental database just for practice. Okay.
Okay.
So if you see the DVD rental, I will tell you how to restore this database and how to make practice, because we work mostly on DVD rental database to do some practice and learn about the course content, right? So if you see here, so in this Postgres sample database, which is the DVD rental, we have different table, and we will go through when we have, okay? So in this, we have 15 tables. We talk about the table, we talk about trigger, we will talk about views, function, domain, and sequence. We will talk about these things, okay? So just ignore now. If you see here, we can download from here. It is a sample free database. We will go through step by step, okay? So this physical architecture, in next class, we will go to the physical architecture, which is very important. We need to understand this physical architecture. And next class will be physical architecture and the basic fundamental. How to create database, how to connect database, how to drop database, how to see the language, create table, create table as from the table. You have what is the table, why we need table, right? Truncate the table. We will go all these statements in next class. Okay. The architecture and the basic. Okay. When we complete this one, then next class, we will go with the backup and restore and security. Okay. Backup and restore security. Then the last class will be high availability and disaster recovery. Okay.
Okay.
And interview preparation and common question in interview with the answer, and more understanding about the final, final talk about the interview. Okay.
Okay. So the next,
Yeah, it's done, right?
is yours complete?
No, mine is complete, but this Firefox, I have an issue with Firefox. Leave it.
Okay.
It's done. So now I need to follow the step, which I keep in one document here. The same slide which I sent to you, right? This one.
Which one? The one that you sent this morning.
So we need to do source installation, right?
So when it's do I just minimize this or close it?
I copy this one and put in Notepad to make it easy.
Okay.
There, right? So I can have two windows here, like this and like this. Okay, this is my Linux server, and now I am installing the Postgres from source. You see the DNF, this one is like yum.
DNF.
DNF, yeah. I will explain more little. I talk about yum, I know DNF, right?
Yes, yes, you talked about yum.
wget, so different utility. But just keep in mind, these DNF and yum basically is the repository, right? Where open source community keep the software, right? There is two ways. Either you can go to internet and search, download the package, put in one folder, and then install, right? This is the first way, right? The community and people said, why everyone go to internet downloading a software, wasting time? They downloaded the software, put in one location, which called repository, and give the link, right?
Yes.
If someone want to install the Postgres pre-install requirement, he can go to this location using, they give this tool, DNF. And this DNF will go to the repository and it will download and install the required packages, right? You get that, right?
Yes.
So there is two ways. Either you download individual package from the internet, these packages, or you can directly fetch these packages from this repository, right? So this is the pre-install requirement. This packages is requirement for Postgres. You have to install, right? So just keep in mind, in RPM and source installation differences, RPM based installation, it done automatically. Yum will do install for you, right? You will not do anything, right? But in custom, you have to do all step manual.
Okay,
right?
got it now.
So, for example, if I go here, I will choose the first, these are pre-install requirements. So I will install this one. Okay, so there is, you see here, in by default, this I don't have, right? DNF tool don't have. First, I need to install this one. Yum install DNF. Right? I will share this one, okay?
Okay.
DNF. Now, if you upper arrow key, run the same command.
Are we going to be doing this installation exactly the same way you're doing it?
You're doing now? You're doing now?
Yeah.
No, I'm asking.
Yeah, you can do. I did not get you. What you said?
I'm asking the same way, like, are we going to be typing the DNF installation in the same way you're doing?
Yeah.
Instead of typing, though, just copy
paste.
what he did and put it on the notepad. Then you copy and you paste.
Yeah, like
That way you don't make a mistake.
See here.
You understand?
Okay, I'll paste it in this installation that we just got completed today.
I will share
Yes.
this.
That
I will
way
share
we
this notepad there. After installation, I will share this notepad.
Because I don't know if we can be doing it, because when I go to do it on my own, I always have issues.
Yeah,
I will
just be
share-
doing it the way he's doing it as well. That's
I will
what he
share
meant.
now. I will share now here. I will share on WhatsApp.
Okay.
You can copy to the notepad. So hit enter.
We do one at a time.
One at a time.
So I just copied, like, the first one is yum install DNF,
Yeah.
DNF install redline, like each day, copy paste, put enter, go to the next one. Is that how you want? Is that how they do it?
Yeah, just copy the yum install DNF you put, you paste it on that thing, then you hit enter. What did you say?
Wait, let me do it now.
Did it work?
Let me do. How do you? Okay. Install. Okay. Download size. Okay. Yes.
Good. Do the second one.
They just say install, download size, install. Then they say,
Yeah,
is
you
this
can share
okay?
your screen there. We can do it
That's
together.
okay. When it comes back to the root user, it means it's completed.
There, you can share,
Okay.
Dora, you can share your computer. We can do on your computer. Okay.
Okay.
Share your screen. Yeah, press Y.
Okay, yes, okay. Then enter.
Yeah, Y, enter. Right, Y.
That's okay.
No, hold on. Something is not right.
Yeah, it's okay.
Hit
It's
enter
okay,
again.
it's okay, it's okay.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah, it's look fine. Yeah. Go down. Go down. Yeah. Okay, just wait for a few seconds.
Yeah. Yeah. Come on. Yeah.
Yeah, it's done.
Okay, good. Then do the next one.
Yeah, next one.
Can
Can you share full screen so at least we can see the both?
Say that again.
Can you share the desktop, not only the window? When you sharing, share the desktop. So we can see
share
both.
my entire desktop.
Yeah, because we can see both notepad and your.
Wait, do you see this screen? This one right here?
This one we can see, right? But we cannot see the notepad where you copying the command.
Oh.
Just unshare and share it desktop. So
Okay,
we can
so
see
I'm copying it directly from
this is okay.
how
but
you sent.
Okay. Okay.
I'm copying it directly from WhatsApp, how you sent it.
Okay, dear. Copy. Run the next command.
Okay.
DNF install dash zlib devil. Yeah. Read line the devil, right? You understand the concept, right? You need to install these pre-installed packages, right? Enter.
Mm-hmm.
When you do installation Postgres, you always follow these steps, okay? In environment.
Mm-hmm. Yes. Do I click enter again?
No,
You have
no,
to
just wait. Just wait. It was searching for the location. Take little
Okay.
while. Yeah.
Nothing. Okay.
They're not coming.
It's working, I think so.
Mm.
Yeah.
One more shot.
Where you find the cherry?
One more shot. Hello.
Yes, dear.
Yeah.
Yeah, next step. Go to next
It's
step.
So
completed.
when I see complete, I can do the next step, right?
Yeah, sure.
Okay.
I'm just looking. When any error, I will stop you. Okay. Just follow
Okay.
the same step sequence. You know. When you've done the pre-install, then step 2 we will do together, okay?
Okay.
You know, when you install any software, you should know where you are going to keep this software, right? In your computer, right? For example, when you install any software on your Windows machine, you always choose the path where you want to keep, right?
Mm-hmm.
So this is same thing. We need to define directory structure. Where will be our data file? Where will be our log file, right? So we
Okay.
will talk about the architecture, but this is installation point of view. We need to tell where we need to keep. So as I mentioned earlier, we will not use root user for Postgres database installation. Okay. So what we do, we create a user. Okay. If you see the step 2, it is a directory structure, right? So we are creating directory structure where we want to keep, the Postgres binaries, where we want to keep the Postgres data location, right? Where our database will save. So,
Yeah, I'm done.
okay.
I think it's step 2 now.
Already installed, right? This is
Mhm.
okay. So now second step. So first we need to create the user. So user add, this is the user, you know how to create user in the Linux. This is a command user add. Okay. So just copy this command. Don't run, just copy this command.
This home, which command is that?
Step 2, user add.
Okay. User add, okay,
Yeah.
slash.
As I mentioned, you
That,
cannot use root user. Yeah, copy full command.
okay.
So quick
That's,
question. When I just want to know, the required packages, is that like a default installation? This DNF install, DNF install the Redline, Devil, the what?
These are package name. These are software, Redline, Devil. These are libraries which required Postgres installation. Prerequisite. Yeah.
So those are like the prerequisite, like every environment have those default installation, right?
That's right. You have to
Okay.
do, otherwise your installation will fail.
Okay. So step 2 now is custom made. You are the one doing this custom made. Like I know we create users, we have to have the directory that we're putting on it.
That's
on
right.
our computer, we are putting it on the home directory. If we go to in an environment, they're gonna give us the various directories that we need to.
That's right. 100% right. They will tell you this is your directories where you can keep the data.
Okay.
Or as a DBA role, you can tell them, okay, I need U01 directory for my data. I need U02 directory for my binaries, right?
Okay.
So you can tell the location. They can create the mount point. They can create the partition file system for you.
So by default, we don't put it on the home directory in our environment.
No. Yeah, you cannot put, right? So this home, you know, before I tell, you cannot use root user for Postgres installation, right? You have to create Postgres user.
Okay.
Right? In Oracle, you always use Oracle user, right? Operating system level. So same, we are creating user Postgres. We are assigning this home directory for Postgres user, not for Postgres database, right? This is the normal way to create user. That's it. This user add command will create user. There is no relation with the Postgres database with this command.
Okay.
So like you are creating new user, Windows user, right? Same like that. So just copy this command. Yeah, you copy. User add dash D mean directory. This is my, I'm creating Postgres user and I'm creating, this is home directory for this user, right? So this command mean. So just copy paste this command, Dora.
Okay. The user add user.
Yeah, full command. User add dash D slash home Postgres slash space Postgres.
Slash data. I see data.
No. Just put one line there. User add dash D till Postgres.
And then I enter, paste it here.
No,
Yes,
just paste, just wait. You pasted, right?
Yeah, enter here.
Okay, I cannot.
it didn't, it got something up, right?
Just scroll down, scroll down. Yeah, this is okay. So what you did, you create user, right?
Mhm.
Operating system user, right? Postgres user. You see the last is the Postgres, right?
Mm-hmm.
So now you can switch to this user. Okay, before, yeah, you can switch SU. Now see, you see the hash. When you see the hash, that means you are
Yes.
connecting to the root user, right? Just switch to Postgres user. SU, type SU. Just I wanted to show you. Switch user,
SU.
space,
SU. Mm-hmm.
Space.
dash,
Mm-hmm.
space, Postgres. Enter. You see the dollar sign?
Mm-hmm.
Now you're connecting to the Postgres user, right? Which you created earlier.
Mm-hmm.
If you may write exit,
Exit.
yeah,
Mhm.
Right. Okay. Just type X. Okay.
yeah. Enter. You will go back to root, right?
Okay. Mm-hmm.
So root always have hash. You see here hash. You see the hash, right?
Mm-hmm.
So to say, what she's saying is that, Dora, what he's saying is that if you want to know that you're using a root user, you're under a root user, when you see that hash in front of you, you're a root user. But when you see a dollar, when you want to, you always change from that root user now to your Postgres, to a user. Because when you're doing configuration, you don't do it as a root user.
Okay.
Right? Am I correct?
That's right. That's right.
So when you see that dollar, you see that dollar sign in front of you. Yeah. That just to understand your environment. If I look at my environment, I said, where am I working from? I said, because you do some stuff and it's failing, and you come and discover that you're doing those stuff from the wrong environment. So you're doing it from either a root environment or you're doing, yes. So those are just the two little difference in Linux.
Okay.
Okay, Dora. Now we need to create the data directory where we want to keep the, first we create user. Now we need to create directory. Just write the second command, make dir-p /pg
Make.
data.
Okay.
Just copy.
Okay.
Copy.
Okay.
You done, right?
Yes.
Yeah, okay. Now what you did, you create one folder like Windows. Like in Windows, you create folder, right? So in Linux, how you create folder using make dir. You get that?
Yeah.
So now we will keep all our database data into the PG data folder. Okay.
Yes.
When you did RPM based installation, it will take by default path. Okay. You will not choose any path. It will install in by default path. Okay. Always. You get Piggy right?
Say that
Yeah.
again.
No, this is our data. No second, create second directory for binaries. You know?
Okay, okay.
Yeah.
So you
The
don't
second-
create any second directory, you just create one directory.
No, this
What?
PG data is for data. There is a
Mhm.
second one. Make directory -p. You know, I put PG binary, right?
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
So just copy paste this file, this
Okay.
line. Yeah.
Mm-hmm. Okay, so if you go to an environment and they already have a directory over there, how do you?
Yeah, I will tell you. I will tell you at the end. When
All
you
right.
finish this one, you will see at the end how you will, when you access the server, how you know where it is, where is my data directory and where is my binary, right?
Okay.
So this I will tell. Okay, just copy the second command, make dir -p pg bin.
Okay, the second one is make
dir.
PG bin.
Yeah. Just
I pasted it on the chat.
This one, are you seeing my screen? This one?
right. Yeah, done. Okay, click OK. Yeah, enter. Yes. So now you created the directory structure. Now, see, you created these folder through root user, right?
Mm-hmm.
Mm-hmm.
Right. So now you
Yeah.
give permission to this directory to Postgres user. So you see the
Okay.
down command, CHON, change ownership.
Okay.
That means change ownership to Postgres user for this directory, PG data and PG bin, right?
Mm-hmm.
Mm-hmm.
Because you created this folder through root user. Postgres user don't have access this directory, right? So
Mm-hmm.
you have to give permission this folder to Postgres. So run the first command, change ownership, Postgres PG data.
Okay.
Yeah, enter.
You say cannot access, no file or directory.
You created, right?
Hmm?
You put the, sorry, spelling mistake, PGA data. PGA data. Up arrow key,
Oh.
up arrow key. Just correct, huh? You created PGA data, right? Above. That is my mistake, maybe. Yeah. Up
Is
arrow.
this a PGA?
Yeah. You
Yeah,
see,
it's supposed to be PG data, not PGA data. So you created PGA data. So what you need to do is, if you want to change it, just go and say PG.
use PGA data. I use, okay, yeah. You can go up arrow key, up arrow key. I will tell you how to do that. Up arrow key,
Mm-hmm.
up arrow
Up
key.
arrow key. You know where I told you that you got the up arrow key on the right, Dora?
Mm-hmm. Yes.
Yeah, just you see the one that is pointing down, the one that is pointing up.
In the
Yes,
keyboard.
Up one.
No, in the
Up.
keyboard. No, in the
Mhm.
keyboard. Keyboard
There
up
you
arrow
go.
key.
There
Yeah.
you go. So
Yeah,
now
yeah.
use the other one, highlight and
Otherwise,
go.
yeah. Go up one more. We can create
Okay,
new
go
directory.
up.
Yeah.
Go up.
Yeah.
Wait.
One more.
Up.
Yeah. This is remove A. Go
Remove
to
the
left
A.
side.
Am I right?
Yes,
Yeah,
stay
yeah.
there, Dora. Use the arrow, the other arrow key that is looking to the left.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, click, just arrow it. You know where I told you the two arrow that you went up, the other one now on the left.
The left one. Okay.
Yes, yeah, go.
Okay.
Go one more time.
Oh, okay. Then put
No.
A here.
No, go back to PGA, remove that A.
Oh, okay. Okay.
Yeah,
Okay.
okay, no, go to D, click on D. You have to understand this, yeah, remove it. Okay, put G, PG,
Put
right
G
G
here.
there, yeah, there. Then add that, go in front, add A in front of that C. You end.
Mm-hmm.
A,
Okay.
okay, enter. Okay, that's fine. So use the arrow key.
Mm-hmm. The left or the up, the left, which one?
The upper key. Click,
Mm-hmm.
click one more time. There, click, enter. I think you're good.
Yeah. So now, yeah, very good. Now, also second command, pgbin, give the permission to pgbin also.
Copy
No,
now
you
the
have-
other command.
You just
And-
change.
Okay, copy the next, which one?
Yeah, the CHOWN, the one that says PGP.
PG, Postgres, PG bin.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay.
We created two directory, right? One for data, one for binding, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. I think she's good.
Very good. Yeah. So next, we need to download the software, right? I sent you a link on WhatsApp. Just go there, open the link. We need to download Postgres software, right?
The Postgres software.
Yeah.
Okay.
Just open the browser, Google. We cannot, okay, just open the Google.
Okay, hold on. Before you open it, I just want, is this what I'm downloading?
Yeah, yeah. No. This is the PG admin. This is the client.
Oh,
No,
okay.
we need to download the Postgres database software, right? This is the client.
Mm-hmm.
Close it,
Okay.
minimize this one. Open the browser.
Okay.
You cannot see it. I sent you a link on WhatsApp, right?
Yes.
Can you open this? We cannot see actually.
Okay, open the link,
Yeah.
the one that you just sent. Okay. Let me bring it so we can.
Okay, let me make
This one.
Yeah. Okay, yeah. Yeah, maximize it.
Okay.
Yeah. Go to Linux. See this you have to download the source. This is the source base. You see left side there is a package, there is a source. So we are doing source based installation. Yeah, go down. You select the Linux, right?
Okay, Linux. Okay.
Go down. Linux. There is a Linux. No.
Right here.
First one. Up,
Mm-hmm.
go up. Yeah, first one. Yeah, select the Linux.
Mm-hmm.
There you see the Linux, you know, the picture. Select operating
Yes.
system. Yeah, select the Linux.
Mm-hmm. I've done it.
You done it? Go down.
Mm-hmm.
Go down. Go down.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. I'm going down.
It is not selecting actually. No. You did not select it. Actually, it's not selected.
Oh, okay, wait. Okay. So this is it, right? So look, I'm gonna click on this Linux.
Yeah.
Okay. And then I come down.
Yeah. Come above, little above.
Up.
No. Up, little up. So you select the Linux, then just wait. You select the Linux, go down.
Mm-hmm.
Which Linux you have to choose? Go down. Red Hat CentOS. Third one. No,
This one.
above one.
Red Hat CentOS.
Yeah, this one.
Okay, Red Hat CentOS.
Yeah.
Okay,
Select this
okay.
one.
Okay.
Yeah. Go down.
Laura, can you maximize your page? Click that. Yeah, click it there. Yeah.
Okay. Go down. Yeah, go down. Go down. Go down. Select version. You know, above there is a version, right? Go up. No, there. No. Go up. Up.
Select version. This one.
No, go up.
Again,
Yeah, select version is 14 by
right
default.
here.
No, but see, select version. Yeah, you can choose 12.
Okay, change this one to 12.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, select the platform. Second option.
Okay.
Red Hat 7. Yeah, 7. The second option. No, there. Second.
Which one am I selecting? Second.
CentOS 7. Yeah. Yeah,
Okay.
this one. Yeah. Yeah, that's it. That's it. 64-bit, right?
This
This
one
is okay.
stays the same.
Yeah, yeah, same. Copy this command. Copy this script above.
Copy script. Okay.
Yeah. Go to your computer. The putty.
Go back to the putty.
Yeah.
Here.
Yeah.
Here, right?
Paste it here.
Okay. Is correct?
No, just okay.
Is that right?
No, it will download. Just one. It will
So I haven't
download.
pressed. When I paste it, I have to press enter,
Control
right?
C. No, just put Control C. Control C.
Okay. Control C.
Yeah. Okay. Can you show me the link again?
The link. Okay.
Let me send you the direct link. Just a minute.
This one.
Yeah, just let me send you the direct link there. Just 1 minute. Huh?
Okay.
Actually, you are not okay. Can you go up? Go up. Just leave it. Go up.
Go up.
I wanted to, you should do actually. Up, go up. Beginning. You see the left side, there is a source. Go up.
Yeah.
Source.
This
No,
source.
above second option. Yeah, source. Click on source. See,
Yeah,
these are
right here.
version. Yeah, go down. Select 12.1. V 12.1.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, this one. You copy, right? Okay. Download.
Which one should I copy?
Yeah, you have first, second, third, fourth one. You have to download fourth one.
It was this one, like this one.
Yeah, this is a tar file, zip file. Yeah. No, just no. Right click on this file. Right click on this file. I will
The
tell
fourth
you how
one.
to. Yeah. Right click. Copy the link address. Copy the link address. Copy. Go to
The
your
putty.
computer VM.
Yeah.
Yeah. wget right wget
W.
get. Yeah, the wget is a utility to download from internet, right? Space paste.
Another space.
No, paste it. Paste the link.
Oh, paste. Okay.
Yeah. Enter. So this will download the software, right?
So this is the Postgres software.
Yeah, this is the Postgres software.
Okay.
You understand, right?
Yeah,
Okay, great.
I'm not there yet because my installation is taking forever, but I believe that I'm following up. Okay, my installation just finished. Oh no, I'll take forever for the updating. It's doing updates and I'm still on 373 out of 1,097.
Slow.
Yeah, so I don't understand why. I know I got a lot on it.
Maybe due to internet slow. Due to internet,
This
not
internet,
computer. Due to
I don't
internet.
understand. Why is the internet slow? What am I supposed to do with that? How am I supposed to fix that?
No, you have to, when you finish the class, just reset your router.
Oh, yeah, I think so. But I rebooted. I think I rebooted yesterday.
Your internet is not working here.
Mhm.
Dora, can you give me access on your computer?
Okay, how do I do that?
Yeah. So I just sent the request accept.
Okay, okay.
Just let me see. This is, see, first we need to check the firewall. Firewall we did not disable. You remember we disabled the firewall, right?
Mm-hmm.
Service firewall key stop. And I need permanent disable. Check config firewall D off. So now I disable the firewall, operating system firewall. Okay. So
But wait, I have a question, right?
yeah,
Are we going to be using this putty to do all the installations?
all installation you have to do use putty.
Putty.
Oh,
In your environment, you always use putty. There is no
okay.
GUI interface.
Okay. I was trying to understand why. Okay.
Okay. So now I need to wget here. Wget this one. This one.
So what you do is you stop the firewall. Are you gonna turn it on?
No need. Operating system
None.
level you always disable because they
Okay,
have
all right.
network firewall.
Okay.
This
And I understand that. I think when you go to the job site, they always just disable the system administrators. They always just do that, right?
Yeah, right. They will do that.
So in the job,
You know,
is this are we the ones doing all these installations?
sorry, Dora, what you said? Say again.
Like when you're working, like if let's say you are working in a company, are you the one, do we do all this information?
Installation, yes.
Yeah,
This
installation you have to do, right?
Mhm.
Okay.
You know what I suggest, you go through step by step and you raise the question to me, what is this, what is this, what is that? So you have to follow this step always when you do custom installation, source installation in company.
Okay.
First is, if I summarize, first you will install prerequisite software for Postgres database software, right? The second step, you create the directory structure where you want to keep the Postgres software and data store. Third step, you create the user, right? Fourth step, you have to assign the permission to the created folder. And next step, you need to download the source from the internet. After download the source, then you need to install the database software. These are steps. So can you open the Google?
Okay.
Because from this computer, I'm not able to download this package. Can you just copy this one?
Did you click enter? Did you click enter? What is going?
Yeah, because it will not allow you to access through webget.
Okay, why?
We can directly download from the internet this package, right? Can you open the browser?
Okay.
Chrome browser. Internet Explorer. I cannot see the browser window. Yeah,
Right
here.
here.
Yeah, you downloaded already here, right?
Yeah. Which one?
Yeah, this software we downloaded, right?
Yes, 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 yes.
So it's saved here, right?
Mm-hmm.
Now, second thing is, if you download it on your Windows computer, how you copy to Linux? This is also a question, right?
Mm-hmm.
So for this, you have to use WinCP, this utility. You have to download WinCP, okay? So this is the client from this client, you can browse your Linux file system, okay? You will see how. Download. This one, right? Oh, sorry. Click wrong. This one. Download it. Now I need to install. It will be window open, right? Dora,
Yes.
can you share your desktop so every time you, yeah, okay, no problem. Can you open the window, install this one, then see?
Okay.
Next,
Install for
yeah, next. Can you drag to the desktop here? I can see
this
the,
one.
yeah, this one. Install first option. Install for all users. No, above one, yeah. Next.
This one.
We cannot see.
We can see your window.
Yes. Hmm?
We can see you. We can see your window.
Wait. It says, do I install? Do I take yes here? Do you
Yeah.
We
want the
cannot
app?
see your window. So you say yes, we don't know where you are.
You see now?
No.
Okay. See.
Yeah, no, we can see. Yeah. Accept.
Yeah, say accept.
Next.
Install.
Install.
Finish.
Finish. It will open the window, right? Just minimize the browser. Yeah, can you open the WinCP?
Open the what?
Yeah, you already opened WinCP, right?
The WinCP. Okay.
Yeah. Can you drag it to this window?
Hold on. Say that again, please.
Yeah, you see the WinCP is installed, right?
Yes.
It's opened, right?
It's right here.
Yeah, good. No, not here.
Mm-mm. Mm-mm.
Can you
Just search it.
Search.
Go to your search bar and say WinCP.
Yeah.
VCP.
Oh, WIN is a uppercase SCP.
No, it is not case sensitive. Just type WinCP.
Okay, it's not case sensitive. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
You opened?
Yes.
Bring it. We can see.
Okay, great. So just put the IP, your server IP 10 dot. Okay, let me do that. Do that. This is your Linux machine, 10.224, right?
Mm-hmm.
Can you scroll down?
Hold on, that's it.
Maximize the page.
Maximize the page.
No, that's minimize, maximize. Yeah.
No, oh, this one it's not letting me do it.
Oh,
Like that.
take it off.
Yeah, taking up. Yeah.
Take it up. Take the page up. One more up, because we can't see everything.
Yeah.
You see, it's good now?
Good. Now we can see.
Yeah. Yeah. Login. Ja, put root user. Username root.
Root?
I
Oh,
will
sorry, you
divide it.
typing?
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, sorry, go ahead.
Put the password. We don't know.
Oh, the password that I created. Okay.
Login. No, you connecting to Linux, you know? Yes, yes.
No.
Yes,
Yes,
yes.
yes.
Yeah. See, right side you have Linux, left side your desktop computer, Windows computer, right? So can you
Okay.
go? Can you? Okay, let me do that. Go up. Let me do that. We need to go where we downloaded the software, right?
Mm-hmm.
Can you drag little right this window?
Drag it to the right.
Mm-hmm.
No.
You know how you're moving the window? You were moving that page, right? Just pick
Mm-hmm.
it up and move it to the right, because it's not centered.
Oh.
No.
That's not.
Yeah, pick it from there, from up. Pick it there.
Okay.
It's not working.
Yeah, here, click here and drag right.
Yeah, see, I'm trying to drag it, but
Click control and
control what? Control.
no, the right side control. Just click, hit on control, and then use your mouse now. Yeah. You're
Okay,
moving
let
your
me do
mouse
that.
too
Yeah,
fast.
let
or
me
something.
let me do that. Let me do that. Just a minute. Let me do that here.
Oh, I see what. Like here, right?
Not really. We need to
Not
see the
really.
whole. We need to see the whole board. You know how you centralize the board the other time?
Mm-hmm.
No, don't do that.
Not like
Don't do
that.
that.
Okay.
Mm-mm.
This one.
Yeah, needed to.
Yeah. Like yeah.
Oh, okay.
No, you have to drag this window like
You have to drag the window to the right.
above. Top.
Hmm.
Yeah,
That's okay now.
that is good.
Yeah. That's
Okay.
good. Go to the download. Okay, let me do that now. Go to download. Let me do that.
Okay.
Oh no,
What happened?
bring it back.
हो गया बोलेगा चलो
What happened there? I bring the board back.
Okay.
Oh, he was the one that pressed it. Or what?
This what? Is this what?
No, WinCP.
Bring the WI, the WinCP, the one that we're just working on it.
Okay.
I think it downloaded there. Just 1 minute. Huh?
Okay, I think.
Look. Yeah, it downloaded here, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so it downloaded. The second step will be we need to extract, right? This is a zip format, right? You see the command, zip. I will type command, okay? Postgres. So I need to extract, right? So extracted, this extracted. Now I need, if you see the extension will be ls. If you see, now it become tar, right?
Mm-hmm.
First extraction finished. Now I need to extract the whole file using command tar xvf. This command is extraction. You have to remember this command. So this extracted. If you see here, you know, ls command is a list. It extracting, right? Yeah. ls command lists the directory. You see this extracted under this folder, right? You get that?
Can you go one more time up? Let me see the command you used to do the extraction. I saw
It is there. It is there. I put in the notepad. It is there.
Oh, okay, I see.
All command in notepad.
Okay.
Okay. Now I need to install, right? So I go to this, change directory to this folder. Command are there, okay? This folder where I extracted, right? Yeah, here. So here I need to run this command. You see, PG data. Yeah, can you copy this command? Okay. Dot configure, you know. You have to run this command through root user, okay? So you see, can you copy configuration and setup step 4?
Okay. Dora, copy step 4.
Okay.
The dot
The
slash
SU
configure.
dash
No,
root.
root, we already in root, right? So
Okay.
Yeah.
second.
The next one
Configure.
that says dot slash config.
Okay. This one.
Yeah. See, just before hitting, the by default Postgres port is 5432 by default. Okay. If you want to put the custom port, you can use it. Because if some company, they need custom port, they don't want to use default port, you can change here. Okay. And
Right.
the prefix is the PG data which we created. We keep our data under PG data, right? So just hint, it will this configure command, what it will do, it will build the database package, then you can install. Okay, just enter.
Just enter. Okay.
It will check all prerequisite software, everything. Okay.
Yes.
See, it's checking for this. Yes. If there is anything missing, pre-install software missing, it will give error. Okay. So there is no error, right? Now, next step is we need to build the source. Just write make command, M-A-K-E.
Okay. Make
Yeah.
like this.
Enter, yeah.
Make enter. Okay.
This command all is there in steps. It will take a while. Any source-based installation for any software, you have to follow this procedure. Not only database, any software. You understand what is the difference between source and package installation, right?
No, what's the difference?
Still not understand, huh?
Yeah, what's the difference between the source and
Package.
package?
Package mean RPM based package. You know, when you install any software, it will install by default configuration, right? You can not customize, right? It will install by default on the build. in source-based installation, you will build the software first, right? Based on your custom requirement, right? So in the RPM based installation, you just put yum install Postgres, it will install, right? One command. But in source base, you do all step manual, right? You build the software based on your custom data store, custom binaries, then you install, right? But in the RPM base, you will go with the default path. You cannot change the data folder path, binary path. You will go what is by default built in RPM, right?
Yeah.
So you always have follow this method, custom installation. So this is a question in interview. What is the difference between package? See, you see the message, all Postgres successfully made, ready to install. It builds the package, right? And there is no error. That means the build package based on custom path and everything is ready to install. Now we need to write make install. Okay, make is when you see this ready to install, that means your prerequisite all are fine. No need, this is the final step. You need to make install. This step is there. See, the Postgres installation is completed, right? So our Postgres installation is completed. Now we switch to Postgres user. Dash. We log in here. So see, the Postgres installation is done, but services are not started, right? So where we install binaries, PG bin, right? We go here, you see all installation is, sorry. We first step, you see, you follow the step, otherwise you will, confuse, okay? So next step is we need to set the environment variable. Environment variable mean when you switch to Postgres user, by default, it will load the default variable, okay? So just copy export all command, export, just copy paste export command.
Okay. Copy it. Where do I copy it?
From your, which I sent to you. You see the export 3 command, right?
On the, hold
On
on,
the
give me a
left side.
second. What stage is that? 6?
No, step 4, you see environment variable.
Yes,
send
yes,
it.
I see it.
Yeah,
This one.
so
Just copy all at one time and paste it.
Export. Okay, all these 3 export.
Yeah, 3 export paste.
Wait, the one you just sent now? Okay, let me copy. Okay.
Enter. No. No. PG data. No, this is wrong. You have to remove $sign. Just remove from command. $sign. Export. This is mistake. Just remove the last $sign, okay?
what about the $sign around the path?
Yeah, this is wrong. This need to remove. It was wrong mistakenly. typo error. Export the variables, and then we need to go where we have PG data.
Mhm.
See here, I created bin folder. Go here and run the command. You see in the notepad, right? Init db. This will create database. Okay.
Mhm.
Instance. This is like instance creation. Init. You install the binary. Now you are creating Postgres database instance, right?
Uh-huh.
Just enter. Enter. Oh, sorry. We have to set the PG data, right? The PG data. Oh, I think. Oh my God, this mistake. Can you open the notepad? Where you copy all command?
Mhm. Dora.
The note, yes.
Yeah.
I said I was copying directly from WhatsApp. I don't know.
No,
Okay.
just copy into notepad and just.
Copy into a notepad. Okay.
Mhm.
Let me copy everything.
Can you make share screen for all, so we can see all your window? Can you unshare and share desktop?
Okay.
Just do it, because we did little mistake. Yeah, share the desktop. If there is any step typo error, I can make it.
Do you have access to my computer? I don't know.
Just share now.
It's letting me share just one. It's giving me the option to share just one. I have a lot on my desktop.
No, just when you share the desktop. Okay, let me show you. When you just a minute. When you click on share screen, you will see the
Yes.
first option screen, right?
Yeah. Oh, the first screen. Yes.
Yeah. So you have to share the first screen. Let me make you host again. Okay, just 1 minute. Yeah. Yeah. Now you can do
Share. Okay.
share screen only.
Okay.
Yeah. When you share, we can see all your computer now. So
Oh,
where
okay.
can you open the WhatsApp?
Mm-hmm. Right here.
Yeah, copy this command all which I sent to you. Copy
All
all.
this.
Yeah.
Yeah. No,
Oh,
No.
okay. Not this
you
one.
just okay. Copy all. Copy.
Let
Copy
me
this window
start.
only.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, give me access. So I will do little fast. Okay.
Okay.
Give me access. Allow access. Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Let me open the notepad now. Just give me control. Okay. Let me do that. You allow, yeah?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Your computer little slow. Huh? Notepad. We paste it here.
Mm-hmm.
So I will modify. If there is any typo error, you will share this to group. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Install Postgres database using source. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
I am saving on your desktop.
Okay.
So see, first step we completed. This was okay. This was fine. Okay. Second step was also fine. And this configuration is here error. I need to put bin. It was data, right?
Mm-hmm.
So I need to install binary on this part. This was an issue. Okay. And one
Okay.
typo mistake was here. This one. No, this is okay. This one. Okay. So what I will do, your computer is really slow, huh? Why it is not showing the window? Oh, okay, this is the Why it is not opening? Can you open the put? Oh, okay, come in.
The putty, you see, this one.
Yeah. Okay. Let me organize this one. Oh, give me control. Huh? Where is the notepad?
The notepad. Right.
Can you open the notepad?
Yeah. This one.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. Good. Okay, so we can make it like that. Yeah. So I will clean what we did. Okay. I will clean and we will go to step, step 4 again. Okay. Because we did mistake here. It was PG bin. It is not PG data. Okay. Because we need to install bindy under PG bin, not data under data, right? So I will go here, PG data. I will remove everything. There is nothing in PG data, right? There is nothing. Oh, PGA data. This was the wrong folder we created, right? So I just removed this PGA data. I will log into root. Remove rm-rf, remove PGA data. This we are not using, right? Then we go to the PG data and we remove what we installed. Because this is only for data. I make it empty. I go here. Now I am starting from the step this one, okay? From this, I remove what we did earlier, okay? So I go here, just make.
So what did you remove? What step did you remove?
See, Piggy, we choose here PG data prefix. So what we did, we put all bindy in PG data. So, so due to that, we cannot create instance because PG data should be empty when we create instance, right?
Yeah. Okay.
So we did mistake here. I remove all the installation. Now I'm starting from here again.
Okay.
Just change the path. So first I need to go where I downloaded. I think we downloaded here, right? Postgres, we extracted here, right? From here, we just run this step again. So I just make correction in the document, okay?
Okay, I got it.
Okay, done. So now we need to make build the stage, make next command make.
Make, not made. You said made.
Make is done. Now make install.
No, you first of all said you put made. Is it MAD or MA?
No, make MAKE.
But that's not what you did over there. You did MAD.
No.
No, go back. You see.
Make. I did make. Then make install.
Okay.
So it's done, right? No, our
Just go back.
installation.
Hold on, please, for my eyes alone, give me one. Go up one more time. Like process two step up. One more time. Okay. All right. Okay, that's good. All right.
Configure, make, install.
Okay.
Now we need to switch Postgres user. Okay. After switching the Postgres user, I put here, huh? Okay. Then we need to copy, export the variables. Yes, we can remove this one. Oh, what happened? Copy the environment variable. Run. Now we need to run this command, right? It's created, right? Now you see here, database instance is created, success. You can now start the database. This command you have to keep to start database, right? Or you can use this only this start. If you want to keep the log, you can run this command, okay? Yeah, it started, right? If you type psql, you will get to the database. The database installation is completed. If you put L mean list of the database, it will go command, okay? Type /L, that will list the database, default database in Postgres. See, this we completed installation till here. Now, when you quit from here, just write Q, quit, /Q, quit. You go to the Postgres user, right? When you exit from Postgres, switch to again Postgres, write the psql, you will not, command not found, right? Because you did not set the environment variable, right? So every time when you switch to the Postgres, you have to set the environment variable, right? If I set the environment variable again and run the psql, it will work, right? So to complete, so we need to put the variable in the profile. When we switch to Postgres user, it should automatically load the variable. No need to set again and again, the variable, right? So for this, user startup profile, okay? So what you do, how you check which user you are connecting? You just type ID. When you put ID, it will tell you user which is which you are connecting, right? So if you go here, there is the file. You put this variable into file via.bash_profile. This is startup file. When you switch to user, it will automatically load. Okay. So I just copy this content under this file. So VI is basically, VI is editor, notepad, like notepad, right? So go to bash profile, go to end, Shift A, insert, Shift A, enter. You go to the new line and just copy these environment variable here. Here. Escape, colon, WQ, W write, Q for quit, semi exclamation sign. It is writing. Now when you exit this one, from log out, now you are root user, right? When you S2 to Postgres user, it will load automatically environment variable. Okay. No need to set manually. It will go like that. You get that? Dora?
Yes, I'm right here.
If you know about Windows environment variable, this is the same concept. Okay. So each time, no need to set each time variables. Okay. We need to start a file, which is a bash underscore file in Linux. Always in Linux, default file is this one, that dot bash profile. Okay. We open this file and we put this variable. If you don't know about VIA editor, you can go to the WinCP and you can open file there and you can paste it there. Okay. This file already located in user home folder. Okay, location. Get that? I think little confused, right? Biggie.
A little bit, yeah.
Okay, I will make confused little, because this is okay. So what I will do, I will set the password for Postgres user, OS user. I will set the password. You can welcome 123. Welcome 123. Then I go to the WinCP. I type a 10.0.0.224, right? Postgres user. Password welcome 123.
You say welcome 123.
Yeah.
So Dora, write it down so you don't forget.
Yeah, if you have root, you can reset anytime.
Okay, you can reset anytime. Okay.
Because if you are administrator, so no need.
Software cost connection error.
What happened?
Your internet connection is unstable.
Your internet.
It's your internet.
Your internet gone. Dora there?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. So we can restart the connection again.
Can you start? Can you try again?
Yeah. Can you put the password?
Put the password. Welcome 123.
No, not the root.
Okay, the root password.
Yeah.
Where do I put it?
Yeah, here
On the putty.
Oh, okay. They mean the one I created earlier. I don't know. I've put it enter.
In WinCP, put Postgres password.
Wait, okay. Do you see my screen?
Yeah.
Do I reconnect session?
Sorry?
Reconnect session here?
Let me see. Yeah, reconnect, yes. When you reconnect, it will reconnect. Yeah. And click on this. It's reconnected.
So what do I do here?
Just 1 minute. in WinCP, because this dot profile is the hidden file, you know. So just let me see. You see, you cannot see, this is the home folder of our user, right? So you cannot see the hidden file. Session. There is the preference. Just let me do that. Yeah, just 1 minute. I am doing on your laptop. Okay. Preference. Show blue. Just a minute. You see, there is a panel. This one. You see, there is a show hidden file, right? So I click here. Okay. Now you will see all hidden file here, right? You see, I am talking about dot bash underscore profile, right? This is a startup file always. We can open this file. See, this I copy here, right? You can copy like that. Don't use the editor, huh? But I use.
Okay. Okay.
That you got it? So this dot bash profile is startup file, you know. When you switch to any OS user, it will load automatically. Why we use each time, no need to export the variable, right? It will take from this file by default.
Okay.
So in this case, when you join to the company, how you will know where is your data, right? So you can go here. What is this? No, just 1 minute. Restart. Restart session. Yeah. Let me do that. Root password. There, put root password. Dora?
Yes. Put password. Okay. That's correct.
Root password.
Put it again.
Yeah, the root password, the password you created.
Okay.
Yeah. So when you log in here, switch to Postgres user. Okay. So just type env. You will see this variable coming from this file. You see here? Where it is? See here? PG data. So how, when you join company and you don't know where is data, you can just type CD $PG data, right? PG data. This you exported, right? When you just, it will go to the path PWD present working directory. You see here, this is your data store is here. You know, you understand the environment variable concept. If you quit here, exit from here, now you are in root. Okay. And when you connect to Postgres, there is two ways. Either you can set environment variable in Postgres startup file, or you can manually copy paste, right? So we just connect, Postgres user, and no need to set any environment variable. I told you, there is two interface for client to database. One was PSQL. This is a command line interface, right? Like in like query analyzer in SQL Server, in Oracle SQL Plus, and Postgres is pSQL command line. And second one was pgadmin, right?
Okay. So which one are mostly used? You use all?
pgadmin.
Okay.
You always use pgadmin. But you should know what is a pSQL. They can ask the question, which command line tool you use in Postgres. You should know pSQL.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay, that's the command line you use in Postgres is pSQL.
Yeah.
Okay, and then the pgadmin, you use it for what?
It's a GUI interface.
It's a GUI interface. Okay.
It's a GUI interface. This is the command line. pgadmin equivalent to SQL Studio. GUI interface.
Okay, okay.
Now we complete the Postgres installation, source installation, right? No problem is we need to access through pgadmin this installation, right? So I told you there is two files you always remember. This one, Postgres configuration file, and there is host-based authentication, right? So in Postgres SQL, you have to tell, okay, if someone want to connect remotely, okay, so we need to allow him. So let me open this file. You can open through WinCP, okay, because you are not beginner. I mean, cd pg data, or leave it. You just use WinCP, okay. Go to WinCP.
So all environment have that WinCP?
Yeah, you will have it. You will have it. You go to WinCP using Postgres user and go up arrow key, go to the PG data folder where you have data stored. You will find here PG data, right? Go to PG data, go to the PG PostSQL config file. This is the these two files are very important for Postgres database. Config file, this is all configuration related to Postgres we will do in config file, okay? And second file is HB, host-based authentication. In this file, we will allow user to access database, okay, remotely. Locally, you can access remotely. So first we need to go to this configuration file. And you search Control F, listen. By default, it listen only in localhost, right? Mean it will not allow to access database remote. So what we need to change this file, remove hash and put static. Anyone can connect to this database if he has username password, okay? Static. You can see the description, what IP address to listen on, okay? So just we need to change only this one line. Can close this one and save it. It's saved, okay? Second, we need to allow the host. Any host can connect database who have database username password. You see here, step 6 I did. Here. Now what I did this one, right? And we need to allow IP access. So go to this file HBA conf and copy this line. Oh, this mean is what happened?
Dora, are you touching?
Okay. So see, this mean host, all database, any network can connect to this database. This mean is this. Okay.
Okay.
So we just copy this file and paste it here anywhere. Anywhere. No specific location. Okay.
So do you want to do that to say any network can connect to that file? Or you have a restricted network, you have a restricted access?
That's right. It's a good question.
So you do this on the WinCP?
Yeah, through WinCP I'm
Yes.
doing.
Okay.
So see, if you want to allow only one network, you have to put network here. Okay.
Okay.
So 000,
So you-
that means any network.
Okay.
Like in Dora, she has
Yes.
10.10.0.0.0, right?
Yes, that's 0. And
If you have, how many network can you have? How many network are you allowed to?
You can add any network based on requirement. There is no limitation. It depends on company, you know. So you just keep in mind to know this file functionality. Okay.
Okay.
yes.
For example,
So if you want to add 10 networks, how do you do that?
You can copy paste.
Okay, you come and you add another one, add another one. Okay. I
Yeah,
see.
like that.
Mm,
Okay.
Yeah.
Oh my God. What? This file is critical, huh? Don't do any mistake. Otherwise, database will not start.
Okay.
If you change any file in config or HB file, you have to restart database. Then it will affect. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
So close this one, save it. So done. Now you go to PG admin. See, I did
Let me
not.
bring-
I did
let me
not.
bring-
Yeah, I did not restart the service, right? So it will not work, right? Because I allow, but I did not restart the service. It not affect. So can you open PG admin?
Yes, sure. Right here.
Yeah.
Got it?
Add new server. You
Say
want
that
to,
again?
yeah,
New
add new
server.
server. Add new server. Click on add new server.
Add new server. Okay.
Yeah. Here put any name. PSQL DB. Put source. So you should know the source. Dash source. You did source
Dash
installation, right?
source. Dash source.
Source. SOURCE. Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Go to connection.
Mm,
No, there is a tab, connection tab.
oh, you got
Here, I need to put IP 10.0.0.224, right? This is your IP, right?
Mm-hmm.
So you don't know the Postgres password. You have to reset the Postgres password first. Go here, psql / password, because Postgres is a database user, right? Postgres. You have to reset the Postgres password. Welcome 123. Welcome
Okay.
123. So I set the password for Postgres user. Now you have to go here, put the password, welcome 123. It should work or not? It should not work because I did not after changing the configuration, I did not reboot.
Restart. You did not do what?
I did not restart, right? Service.
Okay.
You see, it will giving error. Could not connect to this connection refused, because when you modify HBA file or configuration file, you need to reboot the service, right? It will affect. So we go here to restart Postgres. Post PG, this is a utility to restart. PDCTL stop. I stop. Now I start again. This is stop start database. How to stop database? PG underscore CTL. This is the native utility to start and restart the Postgres service. Okay. Start. So database is started now. Now you can go to PG admin again. Okay. Save. It will connect now. Right? So you can browse the database. This is okay. If you learn this thing today, what we because I think more than 4 hours now, near to 4 hours, right? So if you learn this thing, you take time and go through one by one and raise your question. If you stuck somewhere or you have any question, I think you spend a lot of time on this exercise. Okay. If you've done this, 50% your job is ready for you. If you understand the concept to set up the Postgres environment.
Okay.
Now next our lecture, all lecture on PG admin. We will work on PG admin. Will not go backend. You get that? So recording is there for this, you go through recording 1 time, 2 time, and clean the environment from scratch, build the environment, go step by step installation. All steps are here, right? All steps are here.
Yes.
So just share this, to WhatsApp. So at least Piggy have all updated one, right? Can you share this one on WhatsApp?
Yes, I share.
Okay. So that's it from my side today. If you have any question, you can ask me. You have to go through one time. What I will suggest, delete the VM, okay? Or keep the VM. VM is okay, Linux VM. Just reinstall the Postgres step by step. Today is a difficult lecture, or you understand this is okay for you, right? Because see, you are new in Linux, right? I think little difficulty for Linux, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, Linux is difficult. No, Linux is, it's just that Linux has its language. You need to follow the language.
Yeah. So in the next class, I will send you some sample command which you have to, as a DBA role, you have to memorize. How to create directory, how to make directory, how to give permission.
Exactly.
Right. So I will send you the list of commands. You have to make practice for this. Okay, there.
Yeah.
I will share this video. You have to go through video again. If you have any question, you can ask me. So you can take, next class when it will be. I think we should take on Wednesday, because you have to take 2 days to complete this task. What do you think?
So you're gonna give us tasks to complete?
Tuesday, no, he wants us to diagnose this task. Like we just have this today.
Okay.
If we want to have another class tomorrow, we're just gonna be like back to back.
Yeah.
Okay, got it.
I give you a time. In between, you stuck anywhere, or you have any question, you can ask me anytime, right?
Yeah.
But I need you to complete this task, because we will not come back again on this task again, right?
Okay.
So because we have a lot of things we need to cover more for DBA, right?
Tuesday can be good, not Wednesday.
Okay. Tuesday, we can take Tuesday, then we next class will be Saturday, right?
Yeah, Tuesday is okay.
Is it possible the same time that we have today?
In the morning, no.
Tuesday.
Tuesday it has to be evening, right? You are working, right? God said you work now.
Piggy,
Tuesday, 8 o'clock, I don't mind. It's up to you. I'm good with the morning.
You're good. Oh, okay. I was thinking
Okay.
about you.
Oh, no, I work, but I got my schedule. I
Okay.
can.
so Tuesday, same time, right? 9
All right.
a.m., right?
Yes.
Yes, that's fine.
the-
Otherwise, I need to wake up all the night, then the morning I need to give.
Yeah, I understand your time. Your
Yeah.
time is.
Because I am sleeping that time, half sleeping, half working, right?
Yeah. So that's fine. Tuesday morning, that's good.
Yeah. So dear, this lecture, today lecture, you have to complete. Okay.
Yeah,
So when
we
you
have to go through, just send the
regarding I will
record.
upload. Yeah, I will
Yes.
regarding upload. Yeah.
Yeah, the recording is gonna be better if we have to do something else.
Because you need to take, I think, 2 to 3 hours to complete this. See, if you do installation, if you,
Mhm.
the next class, we will go the directory structure, like,
Okay.
for example, if you go PG data, CD PG data, this structure we will go, which folder for what purpose we use, okay?
Okay.
Currently, we go only Postgres config and HB file, right? These two files. So these two files you always remember. These two files are very important. So rest of the architecture, we will talk about this, okay?
Okay.
We'll talk physical architecture of Postgres. We will see where data is going, where is log file is going, where is error, how to troubleshoot, the basic, the DBA task, okay?
Okay.
What is the table, how to create table, how to drop table, how to query the data, how to retrieve the data, this, that, okay? So we'll work on Postgres. Okay, dear, all good? We can close the session now.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, then see you on Tuesday. If you have any question in between Tuesday, before Tuesday, you can ask me anytime. Send me a message. I will reply, okay?
All right. Thank you.
Okay. Thanks very much.
Okay, dear. Thanks. Bye.
All right. Bye.